guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you haven't subscribed, just guys, subscribe. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to braid your hair into cornrows and how to add curls while doing that. Yeah, we'll be turning this girl into this hairstyle, this one, and these are the curls.
It's your boy Mike's easy. Yeah. Oh, wow. Hey. I say a prayer when I wake up in the morning. Lord, I need you now. Lord, I need you now. Yeah. When I'm with you got me feeling.
Combing your hair out before you braid is essential. Then you'll section your hair at the front and start braiding off that section. And then after doing that, you will start adding your small pieces of hair as you continue to braid.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her.
I don't know how to explain this, but I hope this more clear visual explains it well than I could. But this is how I braid my hair. Finally, now we are at the last braid, and if you guys want a more depth video tutorial on how to braid your hair, I'll show it on the screen and I will also link it down in the description box. Kindly go and check that out.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed.
So now I'll be showing you guys how to add curls. You're going to take a crochet pin, insert it through your hair, and at the tip of the pin you'll add in your curly hair like I did, using your fingers. and then you'll insert it back out. While I was doing this is one of the painful parts. This is extremely painful. You fix your curls to the desired length that you would like to have, and then I personally tied a knot at the top, and then I cut off the excess. But if you don't want to do that and you want it to like permanently stay, you could put on some glue.
My heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, and my body, my body says, my mind, and my heart, my body says, I don't know what it is, I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy.
So I ran out of fiber, and I will be adding this to the ends of my braids. So now I'm done braiding, and I will be boiling my hair. Kindly comment down below stating if you guys would try this style, and sorry guys for my voice.